Sarap na pagkatinada ng blue cheese saka Emilian Index, oh.
Ano, may masanas?
Honey, saka apple. Apple slice. Yung asawa ko, apple din pangalan, eh.
Uy, kaya pala gusto mo kainin.
No, simple.
Yung apple.
Yung apple.
Nakala ko trabaho ng kusinero.
Mga kusinero doon, oh. Panay ang kaway sa akin, oh.
At yung guy.
Ngayon nakakita ng gwapo, eh. Ang dadine in. So, ito si Napoleon.
Unggoy. Unggoy natin.
Si Unggoy TV.
Yes.
Yan. So, dito kami sa club ngayon. So, dito kami sa may club muna. Pre-dinner cocktail muna tayo. Ganda ng view sa labas. So, Unggoy TV, oh.
Ay.
Can you bring me bar manager?
This is, guys, introducing the best bar manager on board.
On board, yeah. Is this the Yakuza
Red wine,
thingy
please.
or what?
Red wine.
Yeah.
Yakuza, Yakuza.
Cabernet Sauvignon, please.
Cabernet Sauvignon. Jans for you.
Any red wine for you, red.
Everything they order, put it on my bill, huh?
Uy.
When you drink, huh?
Dramatic.
Some chips, guys.
Doberdan, Doberdan.
Chips, you like chips?
Okay, cheers guys. Cheers to the one that never heals.
Salamat sa ka.
Salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo. Hard work, guys. Hindi ako.
Pauwi ka na, Noy. Ako siyang 8 months ngayon ako.
Isa rin to sa mga purpose ko bakit nag-dinner tayo kasi despedida rin. Napoleon.
Ang galing. Sinasabi nila kung saan ka nag... Ano ba? So sinasabi na ano yun, di ba? Ang galing. Lambis ko nakasama sila sa...
So dito muna pre-dinner cocktail muna kami dito tapos after 15 minutes bababa na kami sa may
Uy.
restaurant.
Kung para may totoo steak na in-emergency kanina.
It's 7 o'clock in the evening pero maliwanag pa. Sayonara. Kakinapitong.
Semase.
Di ba? Nara sa kanya, eh. Tonight's dinner, earthquake, earth and ocean, sorry.
In ocean.
The magician.
Let's go, let's go.
It's corporate.
Let's go.
It's corporate chef, okay?
The best.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yes.
You can't mess
Alright.
Brenda like this.
No, it's okay. So fine, we're fine.
Okay, so let them choose whichever they prefer today. Thank you.
This video.
Speech.
Yeah. So yes, you're not going to pay for it, right?
Yes.
I
Let's
cancel
have dinner together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Better here, better.
This one is better.
Yeah, I think so.
The window, you know.
Better one here. Yeah.
Just not this guest coming.
Sure. Thank you so much.
This is good.
Thank you, sir. All right. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Isa ba? Where's the other guy?
Ano yung gamit nila?
Anong ginagawa nun doon?
Vlogging.
May isa doon,
Very.
nagba-vlog pa. Ay, no, malis. Magluluto din yata, eh. Uy, kakain ka ba o magluluto?
Nasasabi siya, request daw ng subscribe.
Huwag na, kung ano na lang yan dito.
Yung ano, yung madali lang. Lumpia.
Huwag na. Wag na. Kung ano lang menu meron sa menu.
Yun lang.
Ito yung favorite ko na bread. 13 Ocean. I love this bread. Kaso wala tayong Vermont butter. Nag-request pa pala ng lumpia. Pambirang bata.
Ito, rustico clips. Di ba?
Rustic lips. Rustico.
Rustic.
Dito ka. Sa gilid para yung view ba? Ano ka ba?
Nice sparkling still.
Yeah,
Still. Thank you.
Still please. Merci beaucoup.
Oui, monsieur.
Lisa ba?
No, ça va.
Nasa ba?
Italiano?
Only lakatan.
Italiano?
No.
Where you from?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Oh, plata o plomo?
Plata o plomo. Patrón del mar, eh.
Colombia.
Patron, senyor.
Sir.
The best AMD. Alright, how are you, sir?
Very good, thanks. How are you?
Living the dream here.
Yeah, I hope you have a lovely
Of course.
Bongga, sino sa amin.
Okay.
Mabait yan. Si ano?
Si yun, di ba?
Bait yan?
Sa inyo, Williamson.
Yes. Si yun, di ba?
Iyon.
Di ba?
Iyon Williamson.
May basketball yan, may sapatos yan.
Meron na.
Jordan.
Hindi ko na injury siya.
Sarili yan, Jordan.
Jordan. Injured din, di ba?
Si yun.
The
Like
magician.
tomatoes.
Yes. And the chicken?
Some, but chicken is coming. On the
Chicken
way.
is coming. Of course, but of course.
Magic Johnson in the house.
Earth and Ocean, guys. Yung paborito ko dito, yung kanilang smoking box.
Smoking box.
Yeah. Yung chicken salad.
Chicken ba niluluto din, sir?
Oh.
Sa smoking box?
Chicken. Ayan na. Yan ang pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat. Yung pag binuksan niya yan.
Nice, ha?
Yes.
The smoking
The
box.
moment I've been waiting
From
for.
the always special smoked chicken.
Oh,
Lebanon.
I love Seaborn. my
Magic,
friend.
ha? Magic.
Magic.
Magic Johnson.
Nice. Alright. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Grazie.
Enjoy.
Grazie. Ano meron to, no?
Lisa Vermentino from Tuscany, Italy. In the red section, we are having a Bolaville. Bolaville is a San Jovel's grape, 2021 from Tuscany, Italy as well. Boroten and organic wines. Which one would you like to try?
A red wine.
Wait for you. Okay.
White is okay?
Red.
Red, please. Kulang red one. Uy.
Nice. You love Seaborn.
Vlog Hernan.
Para mí, señora Bianco, por favor.
Te amo mucho.
Bianco, sí, gracias. Thank you. You're the best.
Welcome. Thank you po.
Gracias.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Cuídate. I have that.
They still need it.
I go for the Belgian Endive and sake roasted halibut. And I go for camembert cheese, yes.
Thank you so much.
And it comes with the port wine, right?
It's going very good with that.
Yes. Merci beaucoup.
Laging kinakain yun.
Lagi mo pinatayin yun. Incorporate ako. Wow. Belgian and... No. I think it's for him.
And dive for here.
Looks familiar, ha?
Ask us man. Thank you.
Looks familiar.
Yes.
Hindi, Sarah?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. May tanong ako. Babae ba yun o trans?
Babae yan, sir.
Babae. Parang trans, no?
Parang si ano, no? Si Elma Muros.
Yun, Elma Muro. Yun. Oh, guys, enjoy your meal, ha? Bon appetito.
Patay video, ha?
Belgian and lives, okay? Alright.
Napapaitan ako dyan, eh.
Sausaw mo sa honey mustard sauce.
Para matamis.
Order ka na naman ng kanin?
Ano yan?
Nakakaya Kaljun.
Hindi ako nag-order, sir. Uy, sino?
Thank you.
Compliment of the chefs.
Thank you.
Special yung mga unggoy, oh.
Thank you. Salamat, sir.
Unang kanin nun.
Thank you, Carl.
Ay, salamat.
Ikaw naman may pakanan ito, no?
Sabi ko, Lucho ka.
Yan yung colonnade chef dito.
Executive chef yan, no?
Kanin. Kanin ah.
Huwag na, sila lang, kunti lang.
Yung totoong curry gagawin ko, hindi yung beans. May kanin ako doon.
Sige, sige, sige.
Kaya naman, boss.
Yo.
Kaya naman, sir. Naman sa bawah.
Si Kaso dito.
Oo, kasi mabait.
I'm curious, where are you from? Honduras. Angel.
Angel.
Tegucigalpa. Where?
San Pedro Sula.
San Pedro de Sula. Okay. Okay. Espanyol, ha?
Honduran.
Gracias, señor.
Honduran pala. Kalahin
Honduras,
niya yan.
kalahin ng hilito. Yupak.
May dahon ng saging.
So yung halibut ko pala, wala na.
Halibot pa rin, sir.
Ah, ito halibut pa rin. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ah. Thank you, sir. Ah.
Card lagi.
Mahal kita.
Thank kanin.
Saya ba tayo? Ayan, makaka-order ka dyan. Sigurado yan.
Enjoy, guys. Let's go.
Tandoori
Bon
chicken.
appetito.
Chicken yun, no?
So, itong
Dessert lang yung
halibut
natira.
fish. Tapos may Swiss chard. So, kung ano-ano pa. Yun sa kanila naman, nagbago yung kanilang in-order.
Chicken pa rin.
May chicken curry na sila. Pag sa akin, walang rice.
Ba dito pala ginagamit yung bamboo leaves?
So, sa Sanoa. Hindi, sa Sanoa, ginagamit yun sa black cod.
Pang-black cod talaga.
Oo, black cod.
Sa sahon.
Guys, sa Sanoa. Storekeeper kayo, ha? Hindi nyo mabanggit ng gusto.
Sa Sanoa.
Sarap ng halibut.
May bawang.
I love seafood. Pa yung kanin.
Kaya ito.
Kanin.
Ito. Hindi eh. Ano buhatin? Mainit yung... Hindi eh. Kunti lang. Kunti lang. Okay na to. Sarap.
Hindi, doon sa menu, curry naman eh.
Kare, di ba? Hindi ba alam ni... Di yata alam ni chef na dati akong Indiano.
Tandoori curry rin. Pero hindi ganun ka-strong yung curry niya.
So, katatapos na namin ng main course. So, naantay namin yung dessert. Anong dessert mo?
Yung sir, yung
Pistachio ice cream sa akin.
sa ibaba, ano yung pinaka-last? Yung cake?
Ah, okay. Sa'yo?
Pistachio ice
Pistachio
cream.
Unggoy TV.
sorbet.
Gusto kayo, pistachio sorbet.
Pero, share ko mamaya yung camembert na.
Yan.
Share ko mamaya yung camembert. Tapos, camembert at the same time, meron kasali kasi yung toasted bread, yung honey mustard sauce. Oh. Tapos, order ako ng port wine kasi yung partner nun.
Okay.
Close.
Bilobela, Sirego, Italiano.
Italian red
Tazzo
wine.
mille.
Inyo, senyor?
Grazie mille.
Aki, Bianco.
Kibiang.
La
Gracias.
Sole.
Tegucigalpa.
Bermentino.
Balakang.
Oh, cheers guys. Cheers to the wound that never healed.
Itong balakang.
Itong balakama. Kanina puro itong balakama yun.
Tawag tao yun.
Ipopost ko yung bukas. Upload ko yun.
Yung gusto balakang mamaya, tumbola preso. Tumbola preso.
Kung tuwa yung yung
Tindero.
Tindera doon sa may...
Tindera.
Hindi pa pangit ang tindera, no?
Ayun, si Tropa.
Ang tropa doon sa may subway.
Si Slate.
Sa Subway.
Yung crew doon.
Crew. Subway.
Ano yun?
Si Boss Dolbo, gumagawa pa ng quick.
Para sa atin?
Para sa atin.
Oo, may quick pa ang pambira. Di dessert na yun. Mag-quick yan. Pambira.
Spicy ha?
5-star
Inutos
restaurant.
ko na naman siguro.
Spicy. Quick.
Ah.
Punta pa tayo sa vlog.
Di ko yun. Wala. Hindi niya nagagawin.
Impatso ang abutin natin to.
Gluttony.
Impatso.
Gluttony.
camembert cheese. And then this is the honey mustard sauce. And toasted bread. I love seaborn. Alright. And I'm waiting for... Ano sa'yo?
Pistachio ice cream na ako,
Pistachio
boss.
ice cream.
Paborito ko yan.
Sugar free.
Uy, grabe oh.
Double trouble.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, ha. Merci beaucoup. I'm waiting for my port wine.
Port wine pa yan.
Yes. Alam mo kung bakit, i-demo ko sa inyo kung paano kainin itong camembert cheese. Pero itong camembert cheese natin, sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi ito original.
Oh, diyan.
Kasi dapat, ang camembert cheese, pag hiniwa mo ito,
Gooey.
yes, para siyang lava.
Lava. Gooey.
Lava. Tapos, papasok mo siya, ilalagay mo siya dito, then,
Bread.
haluan mo ng
Honey mustard.
and at the same time, pag kinagat mo, inumin mo yung port wine,
Wine. Yun yun.
pagsasama-samahin mo sila sa loob ng bibig mo. Humawak mo. Ganun yun.
Ito
Ay,
ang tanong.
hindi ko muna kakainin hanggat hindi pa dumating yung port wine ko.
Ito ang tanong, para saan to?
Yan, ano ba sa'yo?
So ito yung camembert cheese.
Coconut.
Ito yung toasted bread, garlic bread, saka honey mustard sauce. Dandahan lang yan, mami. Request mo yan. Dandahan lang yan. Para makita mo yung mainit, oh.
Yan, gooey nga eh.
Hindi siya. Peke yung ano natin. Peke yung camembert natin. So, sisihin nyo yung provision master.
Ah, Provision Master. Sino Provision Master? Ikaw yun ah.
Secret.
Ito ko.
Yan, ganito magkain ito. Lagay mo dito yung camembert cheese. Pero dapat, ano to, parang laba. Tapos, honey mustard and the port wine.
Port wine.
Port wine is on the way.
On the way, the port wine.
He heard it.
Ito ha. Ito yung bite, na perfect bite.
Perfect bite.
Iyon.
Ang grabe.
Sarap.
Pero hindi pa original yan ha? Grabe oh. Dati kinakain ni boss, panderegla lang ah. Ay, may paganyan-ganyan ka na. Matindi.
Hindi lang kasi original to camembert natin.
Camembert.
Pero pag original, masarap.
Diba? Parang panderegla, camembert na.
Panderegla?
Oh. Hindi oh.
Pagdiregla lang, tapos ang Spanish bread, ano?
Tunog ng tumbala ka ba?
Hindi no. Parang panderegla, naging ano, camembert no. Oh. May pa combination pa oh. Boss.
May port wine pa, inayo pa.
Aray ko. Yan ah. I-mix mo.
Banana cake.
May banana cake.
Banana
ha?
ice cream.
Ah, okay. So here's the port wine, and then I'm going to bring. He's going to bring my toasted bread.
Yes.
Merci beaucoup. You're the best, my friend.
Thank you. Here you go.
Port wine here. Partner kasi, thank you so much. What do you have there?
It's a Niport.
Ruby.
Niport. Oh, okay. Nice. Good one.
Ruby port.
All right. No, bin 27.
Janwick. Janwick.
Here's the magician here. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.
Spicy ba?
Пожалуйста.
The magician.
I'm not Russian, I speak Russian.
Добрый вечер.
I'm Serbian, добрый вечер.
Dober dan.
Svaki dan.
See? I told you guys. Doberland. Okay. Oh, siyempre. Oh, siyempre. 28 years with 28 years sa Seaboard, no ka ba?
Thank you for
I
that.
love you so much.
Take the chia seed, I give you.
No, 9:30 ah.
Yeah, 9:30 I'm
Chia
down
seeds.
just to
What
give
else?
you the seed
What
and this, the oranges.
I
that we
have my
send.
port wine
I
already.
send request for that yesterday.
We tried this morning to look for the orange juice, but there's nothing there.
All concentrated. Same.
We have concentrated port.
Okay, and by the way, there is no button for chia seed, man. I don't know how to charge.
Which one? It's okay. I take care
Those
of it.
chia seeds are from the previous.
Just write it down. Chia seeds. How many kilo?
3 kilo.
I don't know, give man. But,
It's easy, man.
Consider it done.
It's easy.
would like to have more
We don't have to make it complicated, my friend.
More bread.
we're good.
More bread.
More bread?
Yeah.
No, that's it. You want some bread?
Of course. You said we're gonna taste more.
Of course. Only one for him. 1, 2.
Only one for him.
Would like to have one more cheese? I bring a cheese.
No.
There's only this.
I bring a camembert cheese, fresh one,
Yeah.
and has the.
Of course.
Kukuha ka na naman ng camembert.
Meron yan. Meron sila.
Meron.
You're not rushing, guys.
Iba yung camembert sa babae sa may
We
galing.
have a time.
Yeah.
Bilang para sa...
So we have toasted bread here. Okay. Yeah, toasted bread.
Spicy ba, amigo? Spicy ba?
And Camembert
We have
cheese.
a magician.
And we have the
as well.
magician.
And we need to do something for
David
them.
Blake, David Blake.
Thank you.
I'm gonna make you to disappear.
Oh my God.
Look at how this disappear in his mouth.
Uy.
Thank you, Milos. Camembert cheese with honey mustard sauce. Ang partner kasi talaga ito, ibabite mo siya. First, full bite ng ito. Then, samahan mo ng port wine. Ganito yun talaga. Earthquake in ocean.
Tindero?
Earthquake in ocean.
Ito, pandiko ko lang.
Makabayan.
Yung port wine kasi, matamis-lamis.
Manamis-namis ang pork.
No, kaya, huwag
Balance.
na mo din ng port wine. Ito na lang mamaya, ha?
Ako yung...
The best one. I love Seaborn. Seaborn loves me too.
Tapos kasi bakit yun ba yan? Nagpila na siya. Hindi pa na-release yung items.
Wow! Wow! Look at this, guys.
Welcome. Because of Camembert, it's for me, no?
Welcome to my vlog.
That's why you give me it.
Thank you.
I'm not paying for it.
I know,
I'm
chef.
not paying for it. It's free of charge. Huh?
See?
Free of charge. Huh?
Thank you, Milos. Make it disappear, my
Thank you,
friend.
chef. Thank you, chef. Yes, guys. This is the chef. The best chef. The best.
I love
Never
Chef
change,
Rose.
never change.
Corporate.
Never change. Yeah.
Master of disaster.
Master of disaster, yes.
Me always.
I'm gonna make it disappear, disappear later, disappear.
Thanks, guys.
Guys,
Thanks,
wait,
thanks,
wait,
Milos.
by the way,
Thanks, Chef. Food kosa, food kosa.
I'm going to have a seat, guys.
Yes.
I'm going to join you, you know.
Yes.
Eat
Well
with
done,
us.
guys. Well done. You know.
Merci beaucoup.
Good job. Good job.
Astra, in a
Good job.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. All good, yeah?
Yeah.
That's all good.
Oh my God.
No, no, no.
No, who ordered Camembert, Chef? You?
We're done. Yeah. Thank you.
No, no, no. It's for me and you later.
So kami na.
Can you? Hotel director just called.
You can go down in the table.
Waiting for us in the colony.
We're in the colony already, Master. We're going to Constellation.
Constellation.
My
sorry.
God, you old guy
I'm
now.
drunk now. White wine and port wine. Huh? Can you imagine we have corporate chef here
Corporate,
with us on the table? Huh?
Like this, guys.
Yeah.
Love,
Yes,
love,
guys.
love, and peace.
With the former corporate, it doesn't matter.
So, doesn't count, but low profile.
Low profile.
Provision, very
Manager.
R&B, F&B manager here. The best F&B manager on board.
Together with AMD.
This is video, guys.
Hotel manager.
Hotel manager here.
Oh, it's a video.
Thank you.
Oy, Lord of the Rings.
Huh? F&B manager is corporate chef.
Corporate, Game of Thrones.
With
Game
us.
of Thrones.
Hotel director just left.
Constellation.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, dramatic, man. Dramatic.
Nothing is dramatic.
But,
Drinks is on me. Oh,
No, no, no.
It's on Oscar.
I pay on my account.
Chef,
I pay on my
Alright,
account.
okay. Let's go then.
The corporate account bigger than
Oh.
that.
Fuck the corporate. Just kidding.
Yeah,
I was once.
I pay on my P
I
card.
once was.
On my P card.
Once in a
I once was corporate, man. I know. Thank you so much. Huh?
How much is this?
It's on my bill. Huh? It's on my bill.
I call you?
You call me.
Call him. Kasi on the phone.
He doesn't have a phone. You
No, I think it's better to go with him now.
Yeah, let's go now.
Better. Constellation, you know where to go, no? 9, deck 9, forward. Ito yung pamangkin ko. Ryan, thank you. Chef, thank you. Thank you. Where are they? Let's go, guys. Let's go to. We're going to the Constellation for some more drinks. Ito yung toilet ng Constellation. Kita niyo talagang, guys, luxury. Diba? So, yeah. Alright. Here we go. Thank you so much.
Yes, please, man. Sure.
Thank you.
Where's the other one? Where's the other ones?
I don't know, man. Spasiba, senyora.
Siya. Sobra ka na ha. Ibang na siya. Kota ka na, kota.
Anong kota? Lasing na kayo eh.
Hindi ikaw lasing ka.
Thank you. Nap, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I see.
So yun, alas 12:15 na yata kami bumaba kagabi. Galing ng constellation. Tapos natulog siguro ako, pasado alauna na rin. Kaya ito, masakit ang ulo. So at least nag-enjoy kami. Lalo na yung dalawang bata. At least nag-enjoy. Alright, panay nga. Si Aljun panay nga video. May channel din kasi sa YouTube, TikTok. Salamat sa panonood din. God bless sa inyo lahat. Noriel o Pinoy Seaman Wonderland. Noriel Latvia Travels.